So, removable discontinuities are discontinuities that can be removed or filled in. Okay, so the two things that we're looking at here are one, a rational where a factor reduces, so that one can be removed, or two, a piecewise function where there's just, in general, for both of those, we're looking at holes in the graph, which means that f of c does not exist, but my limit as x goes to c of f of x does exist. For our non-removable, basically it's the opposite, discontinuities. That can't be removed. So for these, we're looking at jumps or asymptotes. So for these ones, it's important to note that f of c could exist, because if it's a jump, like a break in my graph, one side could be going to something and the other side could be going to something else, but there could be an open circle and a closed circle. So it could exist, but our limit as x goes to c of f of x does not exist. Okay. So on your homework, it will ask you to label some of the discontinuities as removable or non-removable. Now, like on a bit like a test or the AP test, it's usually, I don't think I've ever seen any question where it asks you to label it as removable or non-removable, but basically it just helps us to kind of think about what the outcome is. Okay, if it's removable, I have a hole, and that means that my limit still exists. If it's non-removable, then I have a jump or an asymptote, which means my limit does not exist. So it kind of helps us break it apart into the two types of scenarios that we have.